Hey guys, just wanted to come by and show you my fruit. Hey guys, just wanted to come on and let you know how to prepare for a juice cleanse. First off, you have to buy vegetables and fruit. That's number one. Number two is obvious, but you need a juicer, or you could use a blender. I've used both. If you use the blender, then you need to buy a small hold strainer, and it will work just as well to get the pulp out. Also, number three, one thing that people don't tell you about juicing is that it is time consuming. I spent about 3 hours juicing, and I only juiced 5 juices because I was just so tired. I could not make another juice, you guys. And I also didn't prep beforehand, so that's another step. Prep your veggies and fruits by washing and cutting them ahead of time, maybe that same day that you're going to juice. It may allow you to have lesser time juicing. Also, right here you see me making a juice. Make sure that you have a lot of fruits and veggies, like an abundance of them, because the juice that I was making right here, it took a bunch of kale, half a bunch of spinach, 4 apples, 2 lemons, and 2 celery stalks, and that made about 20 ounces, but I had 32 ounce mason jars. So you want to make sure that you have enough fruit and vegetables to make the juices that you're trying to make. Yeah, that's about it. And make sure that you're checking the trash, the pulp that you have. In order to make it less of a cleanup, you put a bag inside of it and it'll take all of that, and you can just pull it out. Make sure you got a good juicer though too, guys. That could be a factor. You see me putting in water and stuff like that, but that's because it needed some help. I didn't have enough juicy vegetables for this green juice. Anyways guys, those are some tips for you. I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. This is what I made. A green juice or orange, grapefruit, cucumber, strawberry drink. It's different, but it's kind of tasty. So yeah, these are the juices I made. I'll probably have a beet juice as well because I already have some at home. Yeah. I'm trying to make sure this is in focus, guys. I just wanted to come on here because right now it is, what time is it? It is 8:40. I don't know if you can see that. It's 8:40. Oh, see, you didn't even see that. For real. It's 8:40 and your girl is hungry. So today I was gonna do like a, you know, ease on into the juice fast or whatever for tomorrow, but that didn't work. Like this morning I ate an avocado, which would ease me into, you know, ate an avocado for breakfast. Then I went to the grocery store to buy some more fruits and stuff so that I could you have to be careful, honey, get stuff for juicing. And so I was like, well, let me go to Qdoba. If you don't know what Qdoba is, it's like Chipotle but better. So I went there and I got a veggie burrito, but it wasn't good. Like it was just, and I haven't ate since then, and that was around 1ish. So I'm kind of hungry and I should eat. I'm probably gonna eat late tonight because I'm gonna die if I have to just drink this juice tomorrow, and I didn't eat nothing tonight. So y'all pray for y'all girl because it's already a struggle and it's not even day 1 yet. But I am excited, guys, and I hope that you are ready. If you have already started your juice fast, how is it going? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was too high. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.